Hey, what's up everyone? This is Galaxy Fang, back with another video. But before it starts, please hit that like button, and if you ain't subscribed, please subscribe. Either way, today, as you can tell, we're looking at the newest Pokemon cards that came out. Astral Raid. We don't have just one. We don't have just two. We don't have just three. We don't have just four. We don't have five, but 6 of them. And each one contains 10 cards. That means we have 60 cards in all. And today's question is, what's your favorite Hisuian Pokemon? Either way, let's start. We're doing it outside because I thought it would be different and nice. Oh yeah, I got a little thing to put the cards in, so don't worry, I ain't putting them on the ground or anything. Alright, here's the QR code. Alright, let's start. We got a Combee, Chatot, Drifloon, Psyduck, Sudowoodo, Uxie, I think is how you pronounce it. Oh, we got a Hisuian Typhlosion. Oh, that looks so cool. Man. Someone must have hit that like button since we got lucky. Fighting Energy, Palmo Swan, man, Support, Yamega. Let me get the next one. Sorry, had an itch on my leg. Okay, next pack. Starting off with a QR code. Scyther. Oh, Hisuian Growlithe. We got Bronzor, Mischievous, Hisuian Sneasel, Item. I might say this name wrong, so sorry in advance. Regidrago, I think. Fighting Energy. Item. Duat. And Jubilee Village. Next pack. QR code. We have Manti, Scyther, Hisuian Basculent, which doesn't look that different from a regular one, but what do I know? Oh, Hisuian Voltorb. Chatot, Support, Hisuian Braviary, Grass Energy, Magneton, Spice Season Curry, Hisuian Electro. Okay, 3 more left. Well, 2, I mean. But if you're counting the one on opening, this is the third one. Either way, we have Yum. Nickit, I think is how you pronounce his name. Hippowdon. Cyndaquil. Pawniard. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses, the sun is in my eyes. Ooh! We have, I don't know how to say that first word, but it's the shiny form of Hawlucha. And look, it has that, effect, that hollow effect, if you could see. And then, oh! No way! Someone had to hit that like button again. Because we just have Hisuian Typhlosion V-Star Rainbow. Oh man, that is cool. Oh, we got lucky. And we got another card that says V-Star. I don't know what these are for. We got Dartrix. An item. Ursaring. And the QR code. Man, that was lucky. Okay, next one. QR code. Okay, we got Ponyta, Rowlet, Bronzor, Oshawott, Hoot. I don't know how to say this guy's name, I'm sorry. Glaceon, Grass Energy, Hippowdon, Item, and Kulava. Man. Last pack, guys. Hit that like button as many times as you can. Alright? Hit that like button? Okay, let's do this. QR code. Psyduck. Togepi. Magnemite. Oh, my favorite Hisuian Pokemon has to be Hisuian Growlithe. Ralts. And I got something behind it. Oh, another Mischievous. No way, we got a Reggie Elecki. Someone did good on that. We got Mamoswine. Steel Energy. Granite. Togetic. And Bisharp. Either way, this was fun to do. We got 2 really awesome cards out of this. And others. Thank you guys for staying this long in the video to watch. This is Galaxy Fang saying stay awesome.